guys, I'm back with a new video. Today I am at the old and famous JV Kachori Wala in Old Delhi. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification for more videos from me.
तोड़ के पैसे ले लो भैया बैकपैकर्स दे
ये दुकान को तो 40-45 साल हो गए जी। और यार थोड़ा टेस्टी लगता है, मसाले तेज़ खाते हैं यहाँ के लोग, कचालू ज़्यादा चॉइस करते हैं, इसलिए दिल्ली में तो यहीं पे मिलता है कचालू की चटनी, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे सब लोग आते हैं। ये कचालू की चटनी होती है और आलू की सब्जी।
It's so yum, you should give it a try. And the potato curry is smooth and silky. It's really spicy. And the kachori is crunchy. And the achar which they have topped it up, it is really very spicy. It's really very yum. The kachoris were spicy and delicious. If you like kachoris, then you need to come and visit this place. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe, and until then, take care. See you soon with another video.